Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video on how to open a stock trading account and a couple of the brokers that we recommend using with the Bullish Bears team. We are huge fans of TD Ameritrade, especially if you're starting out. They're a really good universal broker. They have phenomenal customer service. They have probably one of the best trading platforms for charts that you're going to find. Pretty advanced, right? When you get started, there's a lot that goes into them, but they're definitely one of our favorite brokers because there's so much that they offer because of their charting platforms. So again, they have fantastic customer service. They have great charting. They're really good for, if you want to do options, if you want to do swing trading. They have some limitations with day trading. You can day trade with their platform, but they, their commission rate's a little bit higher. They do not have great short locate availability. And their hotkeys are a little bit less than to be desired. So you can't really edit the hotkeys. They're just kind of standard. Buy at the ask, sell at the bid. But if you want to do basic day trading, like, their platform's pretty good. They have their active trader platform that you can use, and they also have the big button features. So the big button features is pretty cool, where you can actually have a button and just click on it and buy at the ask, sell at the bid. So just kind of get in, get out. So if you're not looking to do like advanced day trading, you're not looking to buy thousands of shares at a time, then TD Ameritrade is actually pretty good for day trading. Again, just be aware they're a little bit high for customers or for commission fees, as well as like the lack of shorting availability and editable hotkeys. Other than that, they're pretty good. The company we do recommend, if you want a good cost-effective broker for day trading, would be Interactive Brokers. They actually have really good editable hotkeys that you can use. Right, so you can do something like adjust the bid, adjust the ask by 5 cents, 10 cents. So if you want to buy at the ask plus 5 cents, or sell at the bid minus 5 cents or 10 cents, it gives you the option to be able to get in and give yourself that buffer when getting in and out of trade. So for example, if you want to get into a trade and you're buying at the ask and you don't have a buffer, let's say of 5 cents or 10 cents, you might miss the entry, right? Because a lot of times, especially with day trading, getting in and out, you need a little bit of that buffer to be able to get in. Same thing with getting out of a trade. If you wanted to get out of it and you're not able to edit hotkeys, you might miss your exit, and stock could fall obviously further, right? So it's all about support and resistance, very important. So again, some of their limitations with Interactive Brokers are their charting. Some people are okay with them. I personally just really like Thinkorswim charting. If Interactive Brokers could, update their charting platform a little bit better, I think it would be even more solid. Their customer service is actually pretty solid as well. Again, both really good brokers, both have really good customer service. We recommend them both because they have really good virtual platforms. Thinkorswim's virtual platform is the best. Hands down, their paper trading account is absolutely incredible. But Interactive Brokers one is pretty good as well. So sometimes we use a combination of both. We really like TD for charts. We use Interactive Brokers and other brokers as well to trade. But for new traders, we highly recommend both TD and Interactive Brokers. So again, there's a lot of other brokers out there as well, like E-Trade and Fidelity. DOS Trader. So DOS Trader is another good one. So if you want to go up here and type in DOS Trader, let's see here. So if we go to DOS, DOS is a really kind of high-level platform to be able to use, and they're interchangeable. You can use them with Interactive Brokers. You can use them for Center Point or Speed Trader. So it's kind of like a universal platform. It's very similar looking to Interactive Brokers Mosaic platform, but it can be used behind other trading companies. A little bit costly. It's about $150 a month to use the platform. To be honest with you, I actually like the charting still better with TD Ameritrade. However, when you're trading, the platform to be able to trade in and out, and the editable hotkeys, it's a lot more advanced. The level 2 is incredible with DOS. So if you're looking to do more advanced day trading, like you want to be a really solid day trader, then DOS is definitely a really great platform that you can put behind Interactive Brokers. Again, Interactive Brokers, very low commission fees, so their cost of getting in and out of the trade are a lot lower. But again, you can use DOS with other platforms like Speed Trader and Centerpoint. Also, too, Interactive Brokers, really good for short locates. Centerpoint and Speed Trader, they're more of the top brokers for shorting, but never underestimate Interactive Brokers. They actually do really well with locating for shorts. So again, those are two really solid brokers that we recommend: TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers. DOS is a really great platform if you have the money and you want to do more day trading, that you can put behind some of the more advanced brokers. Both TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers are also really good for options and swing trading as well. So we don't have any affiliation with either TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers right now. Maybe someday we will, but as of right now we don't. So we're just telling you from our experience who we like, and hopefully this will help you with getting started in trading. If you're not a member of our community yet on Facebook, come and join us. We are the Bullish Bears. You will see right up here, we call ourselves the stock market community, just to differentiate ourselves from our fan page over here. So make sure to like and follow our fan page, as well as join our Facebook group. You will notice when you join our community, we keep all the spammers, the trolls, and the stock pumpers out. So we run a really good, clean Facebook group. So if you want to join a community of other traders around the world, make sure to come and join us. Also, too, if you have not been over to our website, head over to bullishbears.com. You'll have the links below, and you'll see over on our website, we'll have several different trade rooms over here. We have a day trade room, we have a swing trade room, a futures trade room, other great areas of support. So not only do we have our Facebook community, we also have our trade rooms that are open 24/7. So you can talk to traders from around the world anytime, day or night. And it's a really helpful resource, especially if you're new and just getting started in the stock market. It's nice to have other traders around the world as support. So we have our several different trade rooms, our Facebook group. We also do watch lists and trade alert setups every night. We send out key breakout and breakdown areas on our alert service each night. We are not stock pumpers. We do not call out entries and exits. We help to teach you to become your own trader. So again, we help to guide you, but we're not calling entries and exits because we are not stock pumpers. So make sure you read about our alert service over here if you want to know how our trade alerts work. We do also have thousands of dollars worth of free courses over here to help you get started. So if you're new, give yourself a few months to get comfortable with trading. It takes many traders, a few months, if not a year plus, before they get really comfortable. And that's why we suggest taking our free courses and then practice in a virtual account like Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers to really get comfortable. Make a few hundred practice trades, practice in our trade rooms, talk to other traders around the world, and just get yourself comfortable with trading. And then when you're really comfortable, then start trading with real money. You'll see right here, we also have our ebook, so make sure to grab that. We have a free candlesticks ebook, as well as our wallpaper backgrounds as well. So we offer so much value to our community members. So if you are not a member yet, make sure to just click the subscribe button over here, and you can come and join our community. And also, don't forget, if you like this video, make sure to like it, comment on it, and share it. We would greatly appreciate it. And we will see you in our community. Enjoy.